Hi guys, so I just received this letter on the mail right now, and I know what it says, so I'll just open it because I'm just very excited about it. Then there's something else. And okay, this thing is huge, like so big. I had no idea. Oh my god, look at him! Look at him! So this is Stray Kids My Pace broadcast photocard, and it's sewing. And I told myself that I would not buy any more broadcast photocards, but I did, and I feel really bad, but I think it's worth it if you really want it. So yeah. Oh god, this is all these freebies. Oh my god. Okay, these are all freebies. Okay, wait. There's a letter, and this is the Instagram seller, by the way. If you'd like to purchase something from her or him, from them, yeah, I really recommend them. It was a very pleasant transaction, so, and you can also see that we came well packaged, and there's a lot of freebies in here. Oh my god. These are both Yunjin. I actually don't mind this at all because Yunjin is also one of my biases, and in a letter it says that she ran out of some freebies, but I really don't mind it. Okay, so there's a big what? I think it's a postcard. Maybe these will all be Jisung. Yeah, I guess so. These are really nice. Like, why don't you focus? Jesus Christ. Okay, these are adorable. Just gonna be like, oh. Look at all of these freebies. I'm so happy. Okay, I'll take this out of the top loader right now. Looks like a photo, like a printed photo. It's a little bit bendy in here, but I purchased it knowing this, so it's not a problem. Oh my god. And yeah, that's it for this package, and I'm really happy about it. I just can't believe that I actually got this broadcast photocard, but yeah, I did. I'm just insane like that. And I also got something the other day that, wait, where is it? I also got these the other day in the mail, and they're both Singming Polaroids from the second showcase, and I actually will collect all of them. I already have more on the way, so I'm just waiting for them to arrive. And yeah, maybe Stray Kids will be the next why I'm broke phase, but yeah. Thank you for watching, and bye.